Hello, dear students. Good morning, dear students. Today is hard. Tomorrow will be worse. But the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. So, dear students, never give up. Dear students, welcome to online classroom. Dear students, today I am here with you, MD Al Mamun, Assistant Teacher, Gapkhali Secondary School, Fokirhat, Bagherhat. And my today's presentation is for class 9 and 10, English for today. Let's start our class. Dear students, look at the picture carefully. What do you see in the picture? Can you describe it? Yes, dear students, it's a picture of a very beautiful mosque. This is the Shat Gambuz Mosque. It is one of the historical place of Bangladesh. It is also one of the World Heritage. Can you guess what we are going to learn today? Yes, dear students. Our today's topic is the Shat Gambuz Mosque, and it is Unit 8, Lesson 1. Dear students, first read the questions, then listen to the audio about the Shat Gambuz Mosque and choose the best answer. First read the questions, then I will present you a audio related to your textbook. I am reading the questions for your better understanding. Question number 1. How many World Heritage Sites are there in Bangladesh? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 2. Where is the Shat Gambuz Mosque situated in? Option: center of Bagherhat, out of Bagherhat, suburb of Bagherhat, center of Khulna. Question 3. Which have worn away with the passage of time? Option A. Pillars, B. Domes, C. Doors, D. Roof. Question number 4. When did Khan Jahan Ali establish this mosque? Before 15th century, after 15th century, before 1459, after 15,000. Dear students, now I am going to present you an audio related to your text. You have to listen the audio carefully, then answer the question mentioned earlier. Answer the question you are looking on the screen. Now we are going to listen the audio. Here we go.
Bangladesh has 3 World Heritage Sites. The Shat Gambuz Mosque in Bagherhat is one of them. It is a 15th century Islamic edifice situated in the suburb of Bagherhat on the edge of the Sundarban, some 175 kilometers southwest of Dhaka. It is an enormous Mughal architectural site covering a very large area. The mosque is unique in that it has 60 pillars which support 81 exquisitely carved domes that have borne away with the passage of time. The structure of the building also represents the 15th century Turkey architectural theme. It is anticipated that before 1459, a greatest devotee of Islam named Khan Jahan Ali established this mosque. He was also the founder of Bagerhat district.
Okay, dear students, I think you have listened the audio very carefully. Now you have to answer. You have to choose the right answer from the alternatives. It's a multiple choice question. And the first question, as I mentioned a little while ago, how many World Heritage Sites are there in Bangladesh? And the answer is 3. And the next question, where is the Shat Gambuz Mosque situated in? And the answer is suburb of Bagerhat. Then question number 3, which have worn away with the passage of time? And the right answer is domes. And the last question, question number 4, when Khan Jahan Ali established this mosque? And the answer is before 1459. Yes, dear students, this was the first slide related to our topics. Now I am going to take you the next slide. Have a look outside the mosque. It has 77 low height domes. It has 4 corners, have 4 small domes. It has 11 arched doorways on east. Dear students, 7 arched doorways is on the north and south. It has. Dear students, what do you see inside the mosque? Look at very carefully. And this part of picture presents you the interior western wall of the mosque is beautifully decorated with terracotta. Now I am going to present you some keywords for your better understanding the passage. Not only keywords, I will also present you sentence made by using the keywords. The first word is mangrove. Mangrove means, before going to meaning, look at the sentence. Sundarban is a mangrove forest. So, the meaning of mangrove is a tree or shrub that grows in wet mud at the edge of river. This is the meaning of mangrove. Next word is outskirts. Look at the sentence. The Buriganga river is at the outskirts of Dhaka city. And the meaning is the outer parts of a town or a city. Outskirts means the outer part of a town or a city. Next word is remarkable. Look at the picture. The garden is very beautiful. The garden is very remarkable for its various colorful flowers. So, remarkable means worthy of attention. The next question, obviously. Look at the picture and the sentence. We can see 5 isles in the pictures. So the meaning of the obviously is a path or corridor. And the next word, cylinder, column. Look at the picture and the sentence. Few cylinder columns of the destroyed buildings are still standing. So the meaning of the cylinder is thin and the column a tall pillar made of stone. So cylinder column means thin, a tall pillar which is thin made of stone. Next word is hollow. Hollow, look at the sentence. There is a hollow in the basket. So the meaning of the hollow is empty space inside. I think it is clear to you. Dear students, now read the text in the book and write the answers of the following questions. The first question is, why is the Shat Gambuz Mosque a World Heritage? Question 2. How are the decorations of the mosques? Question number 3. Why were there many doorways in the mosque? Number 4. For what purpose was the mosque used? Dear students, you have to answer all these questions and write it down in your notebook. Dear students, I think you have done well. Now we are going to next slide. This slide is about fill in the table and it's a pair work. Read the text again and fill the table and it's your pair work. Dear students, I think you have understood the table. Now I am helping you match your answer with me. The Shat Gambuz Mosque became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. And the next part of the table is, it was founded in the 15th century. And the next part of the table, Khanjan Ali dash to fill the city to live in. The answer is Khanjan Ali built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings and reservoirs to feed the city to live in. And the fourth part of the table, the mosque is unique for its 60 pillars that supports the roof with 77 low height domes. And the last, it attracts the tourist for its architectural beauties. Dear students, I think you have observed the answer to fill the table carefully. Now I am going to take you the next slide, and the next slide is about your group work. That is your group work. Look at the picture of the mosque in Dhaka. Write a description on the Star Mosque with the help of the given clues. See the clues in the textbooks. Now, dear students, there was a mechanical problem. See the clues in the textbook, and this is your group work. You have to do this work very carefully. Dear students, I think you have done your group work. Now I am going to take you my next slides, that is about homework. Dear student, this is your homework. Look at the screen. Do your area has such building like the Shad Gambuz Mosque or the Star Mosque? Write about the buildings, not more than 15 lines. You have to do this work at home. Dear students, last couple of minutes, thank you all for being with me, and I am inviting you to attend my next presentation on English first paper. Until then, Allah Hafiz, be safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.